If I just open my fingers, look, I have an extra finger.
Flower begins to magically grow. Over like this, you can actually produce a miniature version of the card.
How to make your own magic glow-in-the-dark bubbles?
Listen, she'll give you her 2 cents.
Got my new fake tongue.
It just bit my face!
EvanEraTV.Com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic.
Oh, magic!
I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you how to do 6 of the easiest magic tricks ever.
Forever, ever, forever, ever.
So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go.
Okay, Ava, so I have a card here. Did you know that playing cards can talk?
No.
They can. Hold out your hand like this. And if you listen really closly to the queen, listen. She'll give you her 2 cents.
Why would she do that? Cheap.
This is an Evan Era original. Invented this trick just for this video. What you're gonna need to set this up are 2 duplicate cards, 2 dupes. Totes into a breeze on this channel. You'll also need one of these bad boys. You're gonna cut out the front face of one of the duplicate cards right around this little border right here. You can throw this part away, you won't need it. So now we're gonna take this and line it up on the front face of the duplicate card. Take a small piece of tape. I recommend trimming it down. So line this up and then put your tape on just like this, and we're gonna kind of create like a hinge for this secret flap. So now the card looks completely normal, but we have our hidden flap right here that no one knows about. You can use it to make coins appear like you saw in my performance. You hide a couple pennies, something like that, underneath the flap and then hold it in place with your thumb. You can then show the card like this, and the pressure of the flap will even hold the coins in place so you can really show it openly and you don't have to worry about them sliding out. Hold it upright and then just let the pennies fall out into your hand. Say, watch, I have a normal playing card here. You can see both sides of it. Snap your fingers and the 2 coins are produced from the card. All you do is let off the pressure with your thumb and the coins will slide right out. This is a really nice presentation to do over top of a spectator's hand, because when they feel the coins drop into their hand, it's a really amazing moment. You can also use this to hide other things. So say you take like a mini card, you take that, put it inside like this. So you can show the card normal front and back, and then when you turn it over like this, you can actually produce a miniature version of the card. It had a kid.
She's got a kid?
Check this out. Glow bubbles. I'm gonna show you how to make your own magic glow-in-the-dark bubbles coming up next. All right, in order to set up this trick, you're going to need a stick of raw plutonium.
I'm sure that in 1985, plutonium is available in every corner drugstore, but in 1955, it's a little hard to come by.
I'm just kidding. This is actually a glow stick. I've got some bubble solution here, and I've also got a glow stick that I'm going to activate right now. So you crack the glow stick, shake it up, shake, shake, shake. Now that we have activated the glow stick, we're actually going to cut it open and use the glow juice to add to the bubble solution. So we're just gonna snip the top off of the glow stick just like this. Now we're gonna take the glow solution and dump it into our bubble mix. Carefully dump it in just like that. So beautiful, look at that. Take our bubble wand and mix it up a bit. Now we have our glow bubble mix ready to go. Take this and you can now blow glow bubbles. All right, so we're outside. It's a hot summer day. I got a can of Liquid Death Mountain Water. Pour a little bit of water right here on the ground. Check this out. Focus my energy right here on the ground. Look what happens. It looks like a flower begins to magically grow from the earth. Okay, this is a trick I invented just for this video. You're going to need yourself a how-to magic flower wand. This is a classic, a fan favorite from EvanEraTV.com. It comes with everything you need to perform the magic flower wand trick. This is a different presentation of this gimmick, and I'm pretty sure I invented this, so check it out. You're going to take a piece of fishing line like this, the thinner the better, and you're going to tape it right on the top of a flower wand just like this. We're going to lay it right over the opening of the flower wand just like that. Now take the flower and load it into the wand, letting it push the string down into the body of the wand. Then all you have to do to make the flower rise is simply pull on the string just like this, and you can see we get this beautiful effect of the flower just rising out of the wand. So your next step is to bury this in the ground. Take a stick or a wooden dowel rod, force it down into the ground. Then you can implant your flower wand to where the top of the wand is sitting flush with the ground level. Then all you have to do is secretly pull on the fishing line, which you can tie to your shoe, and just gently pull your foot back. Or you can have an assistant who's like super far away, pull it from a distance, and then the flower begins to magically grow from the ground. It is such an amazing and beautiful moment, and all you need is a flower wand from EvanEraTV.com. Stay tuned for the end of the video. If you don't have a flower wand, I'm giving one away to you.
See if I can prank my sister. Hey Sasha, check out my new fake tongue.
Oh, that's gross. It just bit my face.
This is the Magic Squirting Tongue. This is our new product from EvanEraTV.com. It is a super exclusive release. You're not going to find this anywhere else. And we have a really limited quantity available now at EvanEraTV.com. The link is in the description if you want to get one. It is a hollow plastic tongue. It's got a little lid that screws on just like this. You remove the lid, then you simply fill the tongue up with water. Now, once you have it full of water, put the cap on and it is good to go for the prank. Now you can take your fake tongue and just simply put it in your mouth. And now all you have to do to make the tongue squirt is bite down using your teeth.
Bite it! Bite it like a little monkey. Go on, bite it!
As you squeeze the tongue, the water shoots out, little hole right in the tip of it. These are super fun to prank your friends with. Obviously, it looks kind of like a fake tongue, so you're gonna think that's the joke when you walk up, and then you bite down and it squirts them. It's just such a funny prank, especially for summertime. Available now at EvanEraTV.com. The link is in the description. As I said, we have a super limited supply of these, so get one now before they're gone.
Watch my hand. If I just open my fingers, look. I have an extra finger.
Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick, it's extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now.
Okay, here is the secret to the trick. We need an assistant to help you out with an extra finger. I have an extra finger.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone who you think might like it too. If you are new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you see all of our videos. We make new episodes of how-to magic like this every single week, so be sure to subscribe to the channel to learn new magic, pranks, and challenges, and
others too.
and a whole lot more. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. If you want to win a magic flower wand, one of our new magic squirting tongues, a standard sized deck of cards, or a miniature sized deck of playing cards, leave a comment in the comment section down below. All you have to do to win the giveaway is give the video a thumbs up, be subscribed to the channel, and leave a comment. I will go through the comment section, pick random comments, and mail the magic out to you. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last how-to magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. If you won this giveaway, be sure to check the description of the video for instructions on how to claim your prize. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.